What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kilo Loco, and today is actually Valentine's Day, so happy belated Valentine's Day. Now, I wanted to address my last video. I said that it was supposed to be extremely shorter, and it was nothing shorter. It was like twice the length of the last video. So yeah, and now I'm out here on a very cold day. It was actually raining. So it never rains in Southern California, but today's Valentine's Day. I'm not going to be doing too much. I'm not going to be covering too much because one, I'm busy. I already had a mentoring call with a wonderful person that his app is going to just be amazing. We're working on that, and I still have contracting work that I have to do. I still have to put out a live stream for you guys. There's just going to be a lot of stuff that I got to do today. So it's going to be busy, but I'm going to try to get you guys some awesome video. And, we're going to be talking about whether or not you should be going to a boot camp or not. So let's do it. Alright, so I did the live stream, as you guys saw, and I did the live stream, talked to my wife, and we're actually going to go out for our little Valentine's Day. I just realized that the audio is going to be crappy on this, but it's okay. We're going to go out to Shakey's Pizza, so let's head over there. You guys can look at the food that we're going to be grubbing on. That should be fun. Yeah, so that was embarrassing. I hate asking people that work at places to, help me with stuff. I absolutely hate it. I've spent 6 years in the service industry, and whenever somebody asked me a stupid question, it just I'd get just so annoyed. It was super annoying, and I don't like being that person. So having to ask somebody for help at a gas station felt ridiculous. I guess apparently what happens is you have to take the damn nozzle out before you press the button. So apparently the stupid Costco's programmers didn't think about, what happens if somebody takes the nozzle out and then presses the button. No, you have to press the button and then take the nozzle out, apparently. So stupid. So don't do that in your code, guys. Don't do that.
There we go. Where are we going?
Shakey's.
shakies. Let's go. All right, guys. Yeah. No, we did not stay at Shakey's for several hours. It just turned out that the baby started getting fussy. I don't know if you guys saw that, but the baby started getting fussy. We ended up going home, put the baby to bed, and ended up watching two movies. We watched Dunkirk and Blade Runner. Wasn't too impressed by Dunkirk. I don't know why everybody's saying it was such a great movie, but I didn't really care for it. Blade Runner was also Blade Runner was pretty good. I liked Blade Runner. But yeah, now what I have to do is I have to head over to the library, print out some papers because, like as I said, I am working on getting a house. So I'm gonna head over there, print out those papers, and then maybe I'll tell you a little bit about whether or not going to a boot camp is right for you. So let's do this. Wow, I did not expect them to have all those graphic novels. I love comic books. I used to be really into comic books, but just things got busy for me. So I have to put out content for you guys, right? And I don't have time to do both, so whatever. But I really like the comic books. I got my papers, awesome. And I just want to talk to you guys about, the whole entire boot camp thing. Now, boot camps are really for a main type of people. There's like really a specific type of person that a boot camp is meant for. It's not meant for everybody. It's mainly meant for somebody that is in a situation that they pretty much hate their life. I think hate their life is a great word for this particular situation. If you like hate your business life and you are tired of working at a dead-end job and you just cannot wait to move up into something that you love and something that is way more financially beneficial, right? So if you are in a situation where you're working at a dead-end job and you need to start making more money and you want to have an actual career as opposed to just having a job, then a boot camp is probably for you. Because what a boot camp is going to accomplish is it's going to take something that would take, normally take, maybe several months or several years of information. It's going to condense all that down into a couple of weeks, and then by the end of that you will not have a full foundation of knowledge. No, it's meant to expose you to all the information that you kind of need to go out and research yourself. It's meant to really expose you to everything that you need to know, and it's meant to have you walk away with a bunch of works in your portfolio so that you can go back and analyze those and then learn from those at a later time. Or maybe if you are a productive student, then you can learn from those while you're in the class, but you have to be really on top of it. So a boot camp is really for those of the people that really want to go from down here and they want to go up here, and they want to do it in a short amount of time. And it's a little bit more expensive than you might be comfortable with, but if you really think about it, if you can go from here to here within 1 year, within a couple of weeks, and then by the end of this year have your entire life change, is that not worth a
quite of a, a bigger price tag, you know. So it's really meant for those types of people that just need to get out of the situation that they're in, and they need to get into something very as soon as possible, pretty much. Boot camps are also for people that are just looking to learn, where they want to just become, like, not necessarily an expert, but to have a good wealth of knowledge on a topic that they are heavily heavily interested in. So if you're interested in iOS development, and maybe you don't want to become a developer because you already have the job that you love, but you just really want to be able to put out your own apps or things like that, and you just want to have fun with it, a boot camp is a great way to learn everything that you need to know, go out, and then just start making apps on the side. So that brings me to my next point, which is SoCal Tech Academy. Now, I've already talked on this a couple of times in a few of my videos, but I am actually starting my own class with SoCal Tech Academy, and I'm actually going to be showing you how to go from knowing nothing about code to getting knowing everything that you need to apply as a junior developer. And I'm going to give you, all the tips and tricks that you need to know in order to actually get hired. I'm going to help you get your first job. Now, although it's mainly going to be geared towards people that know nothing about code, because we're going to definitely go through the foundation and make sure that everybody has a pretty firm foundation. This would also be beneficial for intermediate developers, because although you may already know some of the stuff that I'm going to be teaching, what it can do for you is it's going to add those projects into your portfolio. And it's also going to give you the chance to have a one-on-one, like, mentoring session in person over the course of several weeks, so that if you are working on your own project, what you can do is you can use me, you can talk to me and ask me questions about these things, and we can go through this stuff together, and I can help you get your product done. So, for the boot camp that I'm putting out, the boot camp would be, beneficial for those people that are looking to make a huge change in a short amount of time, and for the people that are looking to, step up their development skills and maybe have a mentor, or have a group of have a networking group which they can interact with on a frequent basis, on twice a week basis, and really expand their portfolio, expand their projects out more, all these different things. So yeah, that's where I stand on boot camps. A little bit more expensive, but if you really think about it, it's faster than going to a college and getting a degree. And at SoCal Tech Academy, we actually provide you with a legit certificate. This is an actual school. This isn't like Coding Dojo where you get a certificate. This is a legitimate certificate. Like, there's like actual academic status behind this certificate. So just keep that in mind, that your boy Kilo Loco's here to help you. I'm here to help you, man. And if you're interested, just make sure that you leave a comment. Let me know that you're interested. Reach out to me on Twitter, or you can send me an email. But also take a look at the video, which I have a link in the description, which is a short little commercial that kind of goes through all the different classes that are going to be taught at the SoCal Tech Academy. So yeah, that's where I stand on boot camps. They can be very beneficial. They're not for everybody, but they can be very beneficial for the people that they're actually meant for. So if you guys are interested, once again, reach out to your boy. So that's going to be all for the devlog today, guys. I'm going to go back home, enjoy the rest of Valentine's Day with my wife, and yeah, if you have any questions, once again, leave them in the comments. If you have a question about, a bug in your code or something like that, reach out to me on Twitter. If you're interested in what goes on in this day-to-day life of Kilo Loco, I post pictures on Instagram sometimes. And make sure you like and subscribe to this video, because you liked it. You want more, right? You watched all the way to here now, right? So just subscribe. Alright, guys. That's your boy Kilo Loco. I will catch you this weekend for those live streams. Later.